Hello, ladies and gentlemen.
We are
Peacemakers. And today, our topic is...
Do you take ChatGPT with a grain of salt? Hi, my name is Elaine and I love ChatGPT. I use it basically every day and everywhere, and I love it. I use it to stay informed and to stay focused on everyday tasks.
And my name is Max. I have used ChatGPT before. However, my experience tells me to be a little bit more cautious about this powerful tool. And actually, that begs a question for you, Elaine. What is the main purpose when using ChatGPT?
It's for learning, of course.
So do you think that when using ChatGPT to learn, is it real learning?
Of course. What do you think when you hear the word ChatGPT? In my opinion, I think of it as an independent teacher, a professional advisor, and a trustworthy friend. It can help you with your homework, or it can answer all your questions. It is truly the best tool of all time. It is a total life changer. You can access it anywhere and anytime. Good grades? Check. Business questions? Check. Math questions? Check. Getting from is basically impossible. Essays? Check. Presentation structures? Check. Max, do I still have to continue because all you hear will be check, check, check?
Alright, Elaine, you made your point, but...
There's no but, Max. It's the greatest tool of all time, period.
Okay, it's the greatest tool of all time. Can you count down? Okay, let's not talk about how great it is. Let's talk about how it works first. To put it simply, ChatGPT can be seen as a person who is very good at searching information from the web. Let me explain with this graph. ChatGPT can clip and integrate several informations from the web to make you a desired response. And now, let me introduce you to this graph. Every bubble represents a website's info. And now, let's add some colors to show the different categories. The yellow ones are the harmful content, the red ones are the misinformation, and last but not least, the green ones are the correct information.
Harmful content? I don't want harmful content.
Of course, nobody wants harmful content. So that's why you might have heard the news that OpenAI paid contractors in Kenya $2 a week to make them get rid of the yellow bubbles, aka the harmful content.
Well, what can we do in order to exclude those red bubbles?
It can't. In order to exclude those red bubbles, you will need to find every expert or professor in each separate realm, and the cost would be incredibly high. Furthermore, usually what ChatGPT outputs is superficial. The deeper knowledge lies in the texts that have been proofread by experts and professors for years.
My goodness, then how are we going to deal with misinformation and privacy problems?
Well, sorry.
Well, ChatGPT can do far more than what you've mentioned. It can help me store my personal information. See, when I type my personal information into it, it shows I'm very sorry, I can't assist with that information. That means it will keep my history but doesn't store it.
Well, Elaine, all I can say is that you are so naive. A lot of people don't know this, but when using ChatGPT, it actually keeps your data. Where in its database? Prompts you give ChatGPT are automatically stored in its database. Data is very important to ChatGPT models. Servers are constantly tracking your data to make a more personalized AI. And servers are constantly... But here's the catch. OpenAI's employees can actually have access to the server. Thus, the accounts, passwords, information you've just inputted are actually seen by OpenAI's employees. Remember, employees see everything once you've entered your information. This leads to unauthorized data and secondary use of data problems. And while you might ask, then what can we do to prevent ourselves from misinformation or privacy problems? Well, all you need is BRO.
Bro?
Yes, B. Be mindful of privacy and security concerns. It is crucial for us to avoid inputting certain personal information when asking ChatGPT to proofread documents. Next up are, recognize the limitations of the AI model. ChatGPT isn't an omnipotent God that can solve all our daily life problems. It is a model made to improve our efficiency, but the accuracy still has a long way to go.
Next, use it as a complement. ChatGPT was never designed to replace humans. It was rather designed to assist us. It was made to improve our efficiency and help us make decisions. B. Verify every single ChatGPT's output and double check them if you can.
So Elaine, after hearing all this information, do you think it's the best tool of all time, or should we take ChatGPT with a grain of salt? Thank you for listening.